How to use or redeem Amazon gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using the Amazon gift card and by redeeming it. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Amazon application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, so first of all, locate your Amazon gift card code. If you received an e-card, it should be in your email or text message, so keep this code handy as you will need it soon. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will come across the settings, scroll down, and then click on your payment option. That is under the payment section, tap on it. Click on the overview that is beside the wallet option, tap on it. Here in this page, you will see the option of redeem a gift card that is highlighted in blue color. Tap on it. And here you need to enter your code. Carefully type in your gift card code and then click on apply to your balance that is highlighted in yellow color. Just like that, the amount from your gift card will be added to your Amazon account balance. When you find something you want to buy, you can add it to your card and proceed to check out, and your gift card balance will automatically be applied to your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed and used your Amazon e-gift card. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.